Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Sekarang saya nak menerangkan tentang rusting, which is pengaratan. What is meant by rusting? As you can see in the picture here, ada screw, ada kunci, ada pin and so on. So maksudnya rusting is related to iron because all these things are usually made up of iron. Apa yang kita masukkan dengan rusting? Actually, rusting is a process of corrosion. Corrosion adalah satu proses. What is meant corrosion? Corrosion of a metal means oxidation of metal. Before that, kita revise dulu what happened to the oxygen, oxidation number, electron and hydrogen. So anything related to oxygen is plus for oxidation and minus for electron and hydrogen. And the other side is vice versa. So oxidation of metal in term of electron is lost electron. Example, iron corrodes when it's lose the electron. So it's mean that iron is oxidized. The electron gain by another substance. So the another substance adalah the condition for the rusting to happen, which is oxygen and water. So we will discuss about it later on. Next, rusting as a redox reaction. So when it comes rusting as a redox reaction means there is a reduction and oxidation happen at the same time. So as you can see in the picture here, alright, this is the diagram for rusting of iron. Alright, so let me tell you how to draw it easily. Okay, so you have to do is first you have to draw the iron metal first. So just draw like this. So apa yang macam runcing ke bawah tu, we will discuss about it later. So once you draw this, terus buat lorek macam ni, shades it to indicate it is a solid form. Then you label as iron metal, iron rod, iron block or whatsoever. Next is water droplet. Then dotted line because it is water, liquid form. Then you label it as water. Next, oxygen. Where oxygen come from? From both sides. Here. Alright. So the diagram must be functioning and label. So label, you must label iron metal, water and oxygen. So functioning means the solid block you have to shade it, lorekkan dia. Then untuk water you have to make the dash line. Okay. Alright. So next, process of rusting. There is a 4-step of rusting process. First is oxidation. Second, reduction. Then after both processes happen, then formation of vortex cell occur. And the last one is rust formation. Where the oxidation happen during the rusting process is iron atom lost electron to form iron to ions. Okay, you can see from the half equation here. Alright, the electron that are lost flow through the iron to the metal surface. Okay, where there is oxygen and water. Alright, we get back to the previous drawing. Where the oxidation happen here. Sorry. Here. Okay, why it happened there? Because here is the place where the highest concentration of oxygen and water. Okay, oxidation happened there. What is happened is iron atom will lost its electron to form iron 2+. Yes, iron 2+. Okay, oxidation. Alright, so next is the electron flow through the go to the metal surface. So here is metal surface. Here is metal surface. Itu maksud dia. So metal surface, what gain that electron that lost from the iron? Okay, so electron dekat sini. siapa yang akan ambil? Water and oxygen. There is a reduction happen. So reduction is when water and oxygen gain that electron to form hydroxide ion. Then we balance it, 2 molecule of water, 1 molecule of oxygen. Then they gain 4 electron and forming 4 hydroxide ion. How to memorize it? So we can relate with discharge of hydroxide. You learn it in electrochemistry. We use the story of 4 orang hutan. So you draw OH like this. Oxygen facing oxygen. Okay, 1 hydroxide ion has 1 negative charge. So negative is represent of electron lah. Okay. So when we want to discharge, nak buang charge tu, maksudnya we have to release the electron. So when we have 4 orang hutan, then we release 4 electron. Alright. So electron is released. No more electron here. Means we have 4 orang hutan at the first place. Then we release 4 electron. What are the products? You draw the segitiga bermuda. And you can see H2O. H2O. So you will get 2 H2O. Then another one is 1 oxygen. So this is how you get the half equation for discharge of hydroxide ion. Alright. So next, when you want to get the hydroxide back, so from back to front lah. We have water, we have oxygen, then we need to accept 4 electron, then we get 4 hydroxide. So it happened here. That's how you memorize the half equation. Reduction means here, means this. Okay. So actually what happened is during the oxidation and reduction, actually they are forming 2 important substance, which is hydroxide and iron 2. Iron 2 is green color, so that's why during the rusting happen, you will see benda-benda hijau macam lumut sikit. Itu bukan lumut sebenarnya, itu adalah Fe2+ is form. Maksudnya when the Fe2+ form, the Fe3+ is ready to be formed lah after that. Okay, kita ada hydroxide, kita ada Fe2+. So what happen is they will combine together. Because they are both as a product, so they will combine together for the formation of rust. So rust tu, what is rust actually? Rust is the iron 3 oxide when is formed when iron 2 hydroxide rapidly oxidized by oxygen. So why is it so? Iron atom, once it want to lose electron, it will lose 2 electron at the same time. And certain energy is required for the loss of the 2 electrons. So energy of losing 2 electrons is much larger than energy that needed to lose another electron. So the crucial part here is the formation of iron 2+. Once the iron 2+ is formed, so it is readily and easily, rapidly, dengan cepatnya, it will release another electron to form iron 3+. Sebab untuk buang 2 elektron tu, dia dah ada energy dah untuk buang 2 elektron. So untuk buang another electron, why not? Lagi senang bagi dia. So that's why if we want to prevent rusting, kita kena prevent formation of iron 2+. Sebab bila iron 2+ dah form, kita dah tak boleh buat apa-apa dah. It's too late for prevent the rusting. Alright. So, untuk vortex cell, kenapa disebut vortex cell? Because it say that oxidation take place at the negative pole. Negative pole tu maksudnya negative terminal lah. Negative terminal. Sebenarnya kita belajar terminal lah. Pole-pole tu tak berapa nak ingat pula. Okay, terminal. Kenapa negative terminal? Oxidation, the lost electron. Electron charge the negative. So that's why it considered as tempat oxidation berlaku adalah negative terminal. So Biasanya ada yang certain konsep kita guna anode cathode. Anode tempat oxidation berlaku. Because kalau kita ingat oil rig, ada orang guna oil rig, ada orang guna red cat. Okay, red cat, reduction at cathode. So means oxidation at anode. So maksudnya juga tempat oxidation berlaku adalah anode. So di sini adalah anode. Okay. So vice versa for reduction lah. Bila oxidation anode, red cat, reduction at cathode. So dekat mana cathode? Here. Cathode. That's what happened during the formation of rust. So actually rust is only applied for iron because rust is the other name for karat, which is other name for anhydrous iron trioxide. So untuk metal lain kita tak sebut karat, kita sebut oxidation. So zinc berkarat tu salah. Itu salah konsep. Oxidation of zinc. Zinc oxide. So that's all for today. Thank you.